the app feature based on your usability feedback. So now this is the handoff from all those findings to the UX team. And in this case, you are a UX team of one. You could potentially, if you're working on a team, hand this over to the team member that does the UX design specifically, or UI design, and say, hey, redesign this. You could work together as a collaborative team to ideate on this. But this is just where you take your findings and turn it into actual design changes. And it may be beneficial to take that intermediary step that we talked about in day 4 and make design change proposals where you articulate why. This is how the app is right now. This is how people had challenges with it. Here's the proposed design change that addresses it in this way. And then also create the final prototype. So make it a live prototype that people can interact with. And that way you'll have both. And this would be good for your portfolio to have those multiple steps to say, we synthesized UXR and these findings. This is how we communicated it to our team. Here's the challenge, and here are possible paths forward. Here's a manifestation or a design of this possible path forward, and then have your final prototype that people can interact with. But at this point, you should have gone through the entire cycle of concepting a test around an initiative or a challenge within your world that exists in an app, and all the way through making proposed design changes and potentially a prototype or specs that development can use to build them. And hopefully this was a bit of an eye-opener for you if you don't do this regularly. And at a minimum, hopefully it's just getting a few more repetitions if you've done this a few times and you just want to grow the skill set. Either way, fun week. I love this type of work. I hope you do too. And I hope this has been a beneficial week for you.